So I'll be showing you how to disable the startup tone on your Nokia phone. This is the sound your phone makes every time you start it or anytime you switch it on. So to disable this, simply go to menu and then look for settings. Select that. Under settings, scroll down to phone settings and then scroll down to startup tone. Select that and then turn that off by selecting off and pressing OK. So once that says off on startup tone, it means you'll no longer hear the startup tone. And it's the same process to turn it back on. Simply go to menu, again settings, again phone settings, scroll down to startup tone, and you can enable it from here if you want to. Thanks for watching and good luck.